Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go ahead and on our S550 we're going to go ahead and put the door panel back on. We've done all the work inside the door panel that we needed to be done, being a window regulator, door actuator, replacing of a window, and so forth. So now we are ready to put our door panel back on of our S550. So to start with, we got to pick it up and we got to put this up through the door and put the door over that and lower it down. We're going to make sure we put the lip in the channel there, and then this needs to be hooked to the handle to unlock, to be able to open and close your door from inside. Right? So, and one thing to note, see this right here? This needs to, on our process, sit right on here, and that holds the top in here. And there's only the two bolts, one here, to hold the actual whole door panel on, besides all of the clips. So the one thing when you're putting the door back, you want to make sure this cable goes inside that little white connector. It'll snap in, and then you got to pull this back and put it in a channel that's right here and connect it. Right? So you just pull the black line back, put in that channel, and then that way when you pull this door handle, it will unlock the door. And we want to make sure we line that black tab up with that to be able to set everything in place. We got everything, the weather stripping is up over the ledge. That black piece is into place, and the way we can figure that out is like when we pull right here, we can tell we've got a lot of resistance right here, and that's right where that black piece sits. So when you're opening the door, or if you close the door, it doesn't pull apart. So now we've got all our plastic clips line up where they're supposed to be. We're just going to work our way around and clamp it all together. And then we'll put the screws in. Alright, we've got that all pushed together. You can go ahead and put your speaker back on. So electric back down in. And it's got just two tabs here on the top. Set those in. They'll snap, and then this will snap and wrap around the metal over here and into the weather stripping. And that's how that's all installed. And now we're just going to go ahead and put the two T30s back in. There's one right here and one down up over here. Right, we tighten that T30, then you're just going to go ahead and take this cover and just install it. Kind of start from the top. There's a little tab, push down, lock it into place, and seal everything. Right here, got another T30. Tighten that into place. And then we have this little cover to slide up and pop it in and cover it up. And then you just finish it off we'll go ahead and put this, you start it from this side. So that's how you go ahead and reinstall. This was a little cover that I put back into place. But that's how you go ahead and install your door panel on your S-Class, especially an S550 of a Mercedes-Benz. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.